This is an overview of our aquaponics setup. As you can see, this is an old spa that we converted. The spa doesn't leak, but the pumps were shot and some of the surface was no good, so we decided to convert it into an aquaponics system. So as you can see, first of all, open this up. There's a industrial sized air pump. Sorry about the dirt. And there's actually two water pumps. It's kind of hard to see. One's down there, and the second one, I guess you can kind of see it right down there. And it's just for redundancy and to add some extra. What these systems do is, it's called an ebb and flow, so it pumps the water into the back there. It fills to a certain point and then it siphons out. And that's the siphon right down there. That's one grow bed, and that's the other grow bed. That's allowing the water to siphon out of the bottom of the grow bed. You can see the pipe leading to the bottom there. And what that does is it allows the media to get wet, and then it allows air to get in at the roots. This is actually, you can focus on it. This is expanded clay, these pellets, so it's very light, much lighter than gravel. You could use gravel, but it's really difficult to plant in and to work with. And so that's the aquaponics. Right now there's no tilapia in there. We've moved them all to a different tank. But we normally have this full of tilapia, and the tilapia eat the food, provide nutrients. The nutrients go into the plants, and it's a nice little ecosystem. And that's how that works.